I am going to scroll, and you can't see my finger, but I'm going to click on personalized over here on the left. And it says make it personal with personalized stamps. And you can see all the options that you can pick. And apparently we need to update this section because it says new for 2023. That's classy. And we are going to scroll down, and we have all these options. We have 15 different options right now. And we have no frame cutesy, no frame icon. So what's the difference between this, the Ladybug one, the S one, and the barcode one? Font. So the font on the one on the right is different than the Ladybug font, right? And the one in the middle is for if you want an initial at the top. So we're going to scroll initial. Now you can have that fun scroll stamp. You can have the label with the big letter on the side. You can have your last name with a line or other options. You can have build your own where you literally get to do whatever you want, more or less. This one, barcodes, rectangles, icon label number 2, and custom label. Oh, I didn't know that one was sold out. And icon label and initial personalized. So lots of options. Let's go into this one. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to ask you to do a couple different things. Number one is it tells you on this one, do you want it to be centered text, or do you want it to be just left? Oh, I like that they did that. Whoops, hang on. That is right justified, where it's all on the right. And this one is left justified. So you get to pick. So I'm going to do centered. I always like centered. And then I get to pick an image. So I get to go through here and find an image I want. Now, if I'm going to use one of those other stamp sets, I'm not going to use one of these images. I'm just going to say no image because I want to be able to use one of those other stamps, right? So line number 1. Oh, look at that. It gave me a little, so I'm going to say Stephanie. There we go. And then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to say loves. And then I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to, whoops. Ha ha ha. It says Stephanie loves pink. And on line 4 and 5, I don't want it to say anything. So I'm going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to say add to cart. So it's only going to have 3 lines. Stephanie loves pink. And that is going to be centered with no icon. Centered, no icon. And because I only did 3 lines, you guys, 1, 2, 3, I have room for up to 5 lines, but I'm not going to do those. So the words Stephanie loves pink are going to be bigger. Now, if I added words here and I added words to line 4 and line 5, then my text is going to be smaller, right? If I have only 1 line, it's going to be big. But if I have 5 lines, it's going to be small, right? Does that make sense? And then I'm going to add it to the cart. And then it's going to say, Stephanie also suggests, and here's one of the, oh, I don't have this one, but this one is perfect for the icons. This is another one that has a whole bunch of different icons on it. So you can grab that one. And there should, oh, there's the other one. We could grab that one. Only 17 left. Look at that. And so we can look at that one and say, ooh, I want that turkey. Fun, fun. And there should be one more on here, Ken, I think. It's not showing. There's one more icon on here. It's not showing. But that is how you do it. Are we good? We're good. And look how cute. You can do like other things with those little icons. Look. Isn't that cute? There's another one. Fun.